I'm Tamara, and welcome to the channel. Listen, I've been inundated with people asking me how I can afford to travel so much, obviously before COVID. So I put together this video to show you a free way how you can get started today. All right, so I'm going to take you inside step by step, show you around. So make sure you stay to the end to check out my bonuses. They're worth about $5,000 or more. Okay, so let's jump inside. Okay, first things first, let's have a quick look at what the Rapid Profit Machine actually is. So this is James, the #1 Builderall affiliate in the world, and a friend of mine. We met when we did our certified partnership for Builderall back in 2017, 2018. So I've been with Builderall since 2017 and was Canada's first certified partner. It's pretty cool. When you join, you're going to come through a 6-step sales funnel. And you then come to this membership site, which is free. So you have access to this at any time, forever, basically. So there's lots of training in here. If you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, or Facebook, this is free traffic or paid traffic and just the ninja life hacks. Okay. So you always have access to this training. I will come back a bit more to the Rapid Profit Machine in a minute to show you step by step, but first of all, let's just have a quick look at Builderall, which is the platform that it's based on, which you also get a 2-week free trial within the sales funnel. Okay, so Builderall is basically an all-in-one marketing platform that is awesome. There's basically 40 different online marketing tools, of course, including the most important ones that you'll need for any online business is a email autoresponder. So you have that here with its unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers. Obviously, the second most important thing, or maybe the first, is your website builder, as well as sales funnel builder. And even if you have a WordPress, we can host it as well. You can integrate it. My blog is on WordPress actually, but I'm starting a new blog on Builderall because we also have a blog builder. So this is just a little rundown of all the 40 different tools. This is the latest tool that's been added. I do have a review video, which I will put somewhere in this video or below the video to check out my Builderall full review. Okay, so now you kind of know what the two platforms are. And just to show you the difference in prices, like Builderall is $69 a month. And if you do join before mid-August 2021, you'll be grandfathered in or locked in at the price you join forever, as long as you remain a paid member, obviously, because the price is going up mid-August. I'm going to show you our top 3 competitors' prices, and you'll understand why we've got to put the prices up, because none of these have nearly as many tools as that we have. So Kartra, it starts at $99 a month, but it's pretty limited. Like with Builderall, you get 15 custom domains and unlimited subdomains, and like I said, unlimited emails. And so it starts at $99 and goes all the way up. ClickFunnels, it starts at $97 a month. That only gives you 20 funnels. There's no websites. It literally is just sales funnels. But if you want to have, email autoresponder and unlimited, then you're going to have to pay $297 a month. I don't know what the hell that is, but that's ridiculous. Okay, in Kajabi, it's $119 a month, but again, you're pretty limited. So you're looking at basically pro and not nearly as many tools. This is only 3 websites, and that's $319 a month. Okay, so just so you have an idea. All right, now let's just check out some inspiration of how much you can actually make just using the Rapid Profit Machine, let alone all the other things you can use with Builderall. Because the Rapid Profit Machine has multiple income streams. So not only you make 100% commissions with Builderall on the first month, and then 30% a month on 2 tiers, there's also 4 upsells in the Rapid Profit Machine, as well as all of James's products that you can make 50% commissions on, except for the RPM Pro, which I'll talk about a little bit more when I get to the top 10 tips. So this is what I've earned just the last couple of weeks, and I also took out $270 last week. I haven't been promoting Builderall like on the affiliate side of things for years, actually, but I've still made over $4,000. And I haven't paid for Builderall myself since about 2017, so that's always a bonus. Like I said, so this is just the last few weeks because I saw the Rapid Profit Machine. I was like, oh my God, James has created a masterpiece. So I'm hopping back on board on the affiliate side of things. Okay, so that is just through Builderall. Now I also have all these leads. So I have 8 active members on the 2-week free trial. you have to wait till their trial's over, of course. And if they stick around and pay, then so almost $500 upcoming, as well as all the free accounts, because they could, become a paid member at any time, because the Rapid Profit Machine comes with 30 done-for-you email follow-ups. Plus, my lists go on to my other lists once they've finished those 30 days, and I have 390 email follow-ups for all sorts of different products. So these guys can still buy at any time, anything. So just takes a little bit of patience, basically. And then here is my Rapid Profit Machine in the funnel earnings I've made. And whenever you see $26.97, those are also monthly recurring. And because I'm a pro member, I get 100% commissions minus 10% for payment fee kind of thing. So there's about $500 in here, top of what I showed you, right? So yeah, pretty much close to $1,000 just in the last few weeks. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something that might just blow your mind a little bit. So when you're in your Builderall dashboard under affiliates, they have what's called an earnings calculator. So it gives you basically an idea of what you could make after 1 year of building your business. Let's just start off slow. Say you just want to do this as a side hustle. Okay. So if you can get 12 people through Builderall, through the RPM, so just one a month, and say that because you're aiming for people in the RPM, all 12 of those. Now this is the beauty of how 2 tiers works. And there's also 2 tiers in the Rapid Profit Machine as well. And this also doesn't include your first month's commission. So this is just the monthly recurring, which I said is about $20. But of course, when the price goes up in mid-August, then it'll be more. Okay, so that doesn't include your first month 100% commissions. So 12 times 69 equals, so you got another 828 on top of what this is your monthly recurring, okay? Like I'm saying, this is the beauty of 2 tiers. It's not MLM, totally different, just 2 tiers, and 2 tiers recurring, which is the best type of affiliate marketing you can get. Okay, so say that there are 12 affiliates, do the same, 1 a month. Well, now you're on over, almost $3,300 a month for just 1 a month. If everyone just brings in 1 a month, plus whatever you might make in the RPM upsells. Okay. So it's very feasible for just 1 a month. You could be making, say, $4,000 a month, including your commissions through the RPM on this free system. So that's when I see people going, oh, well, I can't afford $69 a month for Builderall. Well, really? What other online business can you pay just $69 a month for just selling 1 a month and make that kind of money? That's what I'm saying. Put things in perspective. Okay, so let's amp it up a bit and say you're going to be able to sell 1 a week. Okay, so 1 a week. And your affiliates, because this is what I have, all my bonuses and extra training for my team, because that's the beauty of a 2-tier affiliate. The more money that you make, well, it means the more money I make. It goes down the line. So you support your team. Plus, we have the Facebook groups for Builderall and the Rapid Profit Machine, which are super helpful. For my team, you can email me at any time and I will help you out. Because what's good for you is also good for me. So it's kind of like a play it forward affiliate system, which is awesome. Okay, so you're bringing in 1 a week, right? Let's just say that 35 of these affiliates that you bring in, so not every single one of them are going to do it because a lot of people aren't action takers and a lot of people get frustrated. So let's just say 35. So out of the 52 you bring in, 35 stick to it. And they just bring in 1 a month. Well, now you're on 10 grand a month, but not including your RPM upsells as well. And remember, the pro, that's a $27 a month, monthly recurring as well. So that's what I'm saying. And then if, let's say they can sell, these guys can now sell 1 every 2 weeks. Well, you're on over almost $20,000 a month after 1 year. And like I said, and this doesn't include your 100% first month. So by selling, well, it's actually about 63. So that's another $3,300 almost on top of this by selling 1 a week. Okay, so I'm just showing you what is possible because it's a multiple income stream inside the RPM. This is very, very doable. And I know affiliates who are making this or more every single month. And like I said, this is just through one sales funnel, the RPM. So please, please, please put that into perspective when you say, I can't afford $69 a month. Okay. All right. So that's it for the inspiration. Now we're going to do the top 10 tips to optimize your rapid profit machine. You can use it just like it's, James has set it up for, and he didn't want to overcomplicate things. So these are just basically optional steps that you can do that I know will basically make it even better.